Let me start my day. Guys, this is a Power BI demo. And it is designed for the Power BI report developers or Power BI developers majorly. In this course, very detailed content is covered. So for analytics and scientists also, this course is suitable for analyst resources and scientist resources. Today is the first demo and tomorrow is the second demo, 2 demo classes. And the first demo, I'm going to cover this part. And the second demo, I will cover this part. And the first demo, the introduction, duration, content, opportunities, this all I'm giving in detail. But tomorrow, the complete part, I will do a recap for 10 minutes. So ask me in case you have any questions today itself. And today you will come to know the environment awareness, BA awareness, everything. And tomorrow you will see the practice and you see the components, actual components of Power BI and end-to-end flow in Power BI. Many people say end-to-end flow is simply desktop flow. No. Power BI cloud flow. Desktop to cloud till end user experience. I'll show you tomorrow. Everything. So if you join both the demo classes, you get a lot of subject. Very good knowledge. And the demo classes are very informative. So kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to get the demo documents and videos. It's really good if you practice tomorrow's session. You see the flexibility, the hands-on, the ease of operations in Power BI, and why people love Power BI and why people running behind Power BI, you will come to know when you do the practice of tomorrow's example. Now coming to introduction part. And these are the available batches, guys. And multiple trainers available here. And multiple modes also available. Now, so training details. My name is Vinay. And this is my contact number. And you can call me on these timings. And I'm a working lead consultant. And the current training is very detailed training from basics to advanced. 50 to 60 hours time it will take. So Power BI has this much lengthy subject. That's the reason we are taking. We are not extending anything. To cover all the topics, it will take 10, 50 hours. All the topics. And those topics we use on and off in the real time. So you must learn all those. Otherwise, you're not fit for Power BI developer positions. Recording in progress. So daily 1 hour I will take. My 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours for your practice. If I take 2 hours, it's really tough for you to practice. Initial 3-4 days, you may feel like, yeah, I can do it. But later on, you feel very complex. Because new navigations. Weekly, Monday to Friday. Recording in progress. And monthly 2 Saturdays, you will be having classes based on your interest. And what we provide from the institution side, this is the most important thing everyone should focus. So many institutions say we provide this, that, and all. But coming to our institute, and firstly, this is 14-year-old institute. For the last 14 years, we are here. You can verify in the internet and many places about us. Good and bad, everything you will find. But our existence is here for the last 14 years. Physically established institute in Hyderabad, Amirpet. We have 3 offices in Hyderabad, Amirpet. And daily videos will share with 1.5 year access for every batch. Let me show you. This is 5 p.m. batch just before you. I completed ongoing batch. So now 11th topic is going on data warehouse data model practical. June 20th started. The batch started on May 21st. First demo, second demo. Immediately I started case study 1, case study 2, case study 3. So within 30 hours, the first 30 hours, I will cover the case studies with one project. So if you want to place your resume and you want to try, you can try. And next 30 hours for in detail subject. For every batch, very clearly I will provide. Or you want to see already completed a batch? This is morning 8 o'clock batch. Yes, all videos here. How to view the videos. Lab setup. Spoon feeding way, everything you get. This is a lab setup. Different types of files, database components, everything you get. See FAQs, videos, and documents. And I'm going to all videos. See, 1, 2. So project 1, project 2, 2 projects I covered with proper videos and documents. Explanation flow, end-to-end practice, projects. To near real-time projects you will get with the documents and practice. Very good practice. Those you can use in the resume and you can explain in interview. And some people asking me, sir, how many classes you take for DAX? Very detailed. I took around 17 classes for them. Not 17, 15 classes for them. Because these batch people ask me a lot. So I took 15 classes only for DAX sessions. But you need to have patience. Even SQL Server basics and Power BI cloud classes I covered. 9 days or 10 days. Like this. So I will take the class, give you proper material, and materials also well created. Let me show you. There's a DAX session. So this kind of materials you will find. Clear materials. In case you click on a particular category, theory, each and every function, clear explanation you will find in the materials. Well-made materials. So videos, materials, theory, practical, both. And projects to near real-time projects I cover with multiple case studies. And SQL classes I will cover for 4 hours. This is to communicate with the database. I'm covering for 4 hours, but that is not sufficient. I'm telling you guys, not sufficient. Learn in our institute or outside, wherever you want to learn. We also offer SQL Server detailed classes and learn core course to get understanding about SQL end-to-end. Finally, prioritize 9 topics. But I will give you the list of 9 topics what you are supposed to learn. Those topics only we use in real time, and interviews also focus maximum on those topics. And I'm very good to communicate through WhatsApp and calls. Calls this time, WhatsApp anytime. If I'm available or my other trainers available, they will respond. You don't worry. And every batch we prepare one WhatsApp group. Even current morning 8 o'clock batch, 8 a.m. batch, online, offline, both we have. If you go to online, this is the way. Once the session is completed, we'll mention like this. So and so day, so and so topic completed. Yesterday topic, one day. So you will come to know, okay, this is a topic covered today. This is a topic not covered. Case study one. Recently started case study one happening for them. We address student questions also properly. Students will ask, sir, give me cloud credentials of practice. She asked me videos access or something. I'm joining from today. Hello, did you get the video access? We take the concerns of the students. These are almost student questions. Very long back, he studied from us. Aditya. He's working with a company. 2022, offline batch. Still, we are addressing. Sir, I need Microsoft account for practice. We provided. People get in touch with me. And students having very good success. Last night, one student informed me, this was yesterday. Hi, sir, need to talk for 2 minutes. Sir, call you in a class. Call you at 8:15. Yeah, thanks, sir. Need suggestion. He got opportunity with TCS 30 lakhs per annum, CCI 32 lakhs per annum, our student only. So, which company I need to join? He's already having some experience in IT. He learned Power BI, now he got on Power BI. Which company I have to join? He's asking me. Even one more guy yesterday. People getting jobs. He informed me yesterday only. Hi, sir, started my new journey, so thought to update you. I joined a new company, Lamsech, and they have opportunities and so on. So, as congratulations, on which skill set you joined there? Sir, Power BI and Azure. And this one last time. Sir, last year I got 12% hike. My performance was good. And really, sir, all your credit. Sir, can I apply a remote job for 4 to 6 years? Just see this, motivate yourself, guys. And I have placed a couple of screenshots, testimonials. Please look into the student success. These are genuine screenshots, no fake, no entertainment. So this guy, L&T Mindtree, 33 lakhs per annum. Finally reached for offer letter. Many available. Please read it so that you will get motivated. Even you will come to know about an institute. Done with. So that is sufficient. And we also get opportunities from the companies. And we'll inform those opportunities in the opportunities group. What are the opportunities we get? And students also inform us about opportunities we are placing. So what type of communication I'm maintaining with the students, I clearly explain. There are many students for the last few years get in touch with me, 5 to 6 years. They're referring multiple other friends across globe, not only India. We have students from US, Australia, UK, many places. Right. In case you require course completion certificate at the end, yes, for those required, we will provide. And training objective, full detailed subject coverage in Power BI so that you can try as a Power BI developer with that knowledge. Our first 30 hours for analytics and side data scientists. Sir, I want to learn data analytics course separately. Yeah, please do reach out to the institution. They will tell you how to complete it. Or call me on this number, let you know. We offer data analytics course. And interview suitable, PL 300 examination, 70% to 80% covered. I will help you in the examination. I'll guide you properly, give you dumps to complete it successfully. In worst situation, this course is helpful for you to generate your own reports. And any graduate is eligible to learn Power BI. It's a low code application. No need to write much code. This is one more reason why people love Power BI, and it is ruling the rest in the current market. Huge demand, and many places people use it. So anything you want to ask, guys? And who just joined, kindly provide email ID and mobile number. If you want to talk to me about your career, unit guidance, unit suggestions, tips, anything, please do call me on my contact number. I'm providing my contact number as well. My friendly trainer, please do reach out to me, guys. Anything you want to ask, please take your mic and ask. Right. Last 5 minutes before I start up the content. So we also offer fast track one-on-one based on normal track. I take normal track 50 to 60 hours, maximum subject covered, and SQL coverage 4 hours. Fast track one-on-one also we are having. You can take personalized training, but usage level only they will explain you, but not in detail. It's not possible. 25 to 30 hours up to usage level anywhere, wherever you go. Sir, I want your videos. I don't have time. The slot is not suitable for me. Then you take my videos and go through it. Even you're looking for fast track or one-on-one, better join normal track, continue here, and I will give you previous batch videos. Follow that in case you want to finish it up in less time. So proper study you will complete. And practical support from the institution, you can message anytime on this number. Available trainer will respond. In case you want to talk to me, these are the timings you can talk to me. Even I will come through Zoom and explain your doubts. Many people ask me, sir, please join Zoom to explain me. Yes, I do that. Next, Power BI. This is a single application, a tool, or whatever you say. This software application useful in multiple areas. Majorly report developer, Power BI and SQL language use, and recruitment also happening on this. And second one, BA developer, Power BI SQL, generic BA developer. 90% opportunities on this, and there are high chances to get it if you learn this course properly. And full subject is required. Complete Power BI learn. Power BI use even data analyst level, analyst role level. Here Power BI, 30 hours learning is sufficient. My first 30 hours sufficient. Excel, Python, all. And we offer data analyst course and all these components. Speak to the reception, they will give you proper knowledge, proper information. Even you can call me to get this information. And data scientist. Here also Power BI used. And along with Power BI, multiple other components. Data citizen. Here data engineering components and Power BI used. And many non-technical people and HR resources, management teams, they are using Power BI for reporting. So one Power BI, many places. This is a major reason, more boom in the market. Not now, for the last 5 years. In the next 10 years, no doubt in that. It continue the same position.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
This is Raghuveer. Can I say something about you?
Something?
About your experience, I mean, which I know.
Oh, Raghuveer. Fine, Raghuveer.
So, sir, I am seeing you since 2007. Let me introduce about myself to everyone who is listening. Myself, Raghuveer, I have 10 years experience in healthcare. So I'm seeing sir who is teaching since 2007. I'm a fan of him, so have joined this very old institute, and I have liked his teaching style, and also have roamed Amirpet for so many years, but I haven't seen the faculty like him. So I instruct everyone to join without any doubt.
Thank you, Ravi. We'll talk, Ravi. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Guys, let me continue now. So in this area, I mentioned data analyst, report developer, data scientist differences. I'll focus more on this in the regular classes. Otherwise, you feel confused. This document, anyway, I'm sharing with you. Kindly look into. But a single line I will conclude now. Data analysts majorly focus on past data, and analyze it. So they use Excel, SQL in reporting tools. Even Excel support reporting, and SQL helps in reporting as well as some kind of operations, basic operations. Anyway, reporting tools required. Report developer. You join in the company not only for decision-making reports, even page-related report. Remember, page-related. Just normal conventional reports also you generate. Report developer will develop decision-making and non-decision making. But data analysis level, always decision-making report generated. That to pass to data analysis. And data scientists, in this area, they use scientific methods, algorithms, programs, multiple things. And they will try to predict the future and future predictions and upcoming patterns and multiple statistical operations performed in this area. But these two areas, statistical operations, are little less. And, data analysis level, we use it, but report development level up to some level, not full. But here more. That's the reason many tools, many combinations we use. And one more, data science level, we deal with more volumes of data as well. And everywhere reporting is mandatory. So if you learn the single Power BI, all the positions you can try. Right. So I explain here what is Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI as a data analyst course in my institute. But regarding this, you speak to the reception, they will help you in detail. Right. Finally, in case you want to use Power BI or you want to try with Power BI in the market, what are the opportunities available? Fresher available, 0 to 1 year experience. Yes, many of our students selected. This year, little less opportunities, but 2021 to 2024, many organizations recruited freshers. We used to get from startup companies, many, and MNCs normal. MNCs very rarely recruit for Power BI freshers, as they recruit general freshers. But so startup companies, yes, approached many and recruited people. And experience you want to keep below 5 years. Report developer or Power BI developer. And here we have DAX, a language, so learn both, or simply Power BI learn, and SQL also learn and try. 90% opportunities on this. Or you can try as a support resource, admin resource, or combinations also. One guy just said, sir, Power BI plus Azure, I got opportunity in another company. Yes, this is a combination, Power BI plus Azure ADF. But this is sufficient. In case 3 years or 4 years you're keeping, and less than 4 you're keeping, this is sufficient. 90% opportunities on this. Sir, what if I want to take combination? I will let you know. Please stay tuned till end of the session. Then you will get complete idea. Sir, I'm a 17-year-old guy, 17 is experienced guy, and I want to try along with Power BI. And in Power BI, I want to keep more experience possible. Guys, above 5 years, the current learning is not sufficient, to be honest, because modeling, designing will come up with experience, 1-2 projects experience. If you work end to end, 1 or 2 projects, then only you can try for these positions. These are highly remunerated positions, and minimum package for these positions 25 lakhs in Indian currency. Minimum companies offering. But these are the positions available purely in Power BI side. In other area also available. Data analyst 0 to 1 year, where Power BI used. Data analyst experience above 1 year, Power BI used. Data scientist also Power BI used 0 to 1 year. Data scientist above 1 year. Or any BA developer, report developer also, Power BI has opportunities. So these are the different opportunities available. So anyone wants to ask anything?
Hi, sir. This is Manoj.
Yes, Manoj.
Yeah, sir, I just want to know which is the, best combination with Power BI. I mean, right now in the future. Uh, which is the best combination which we have to learn so that we'll get more of we are having more opportunities.
Okay, wait till the end of the session, then you will come to know. I'm
Okay.
going to cover multiple things among this. So if you want to go as a data analyst and data scientist, that is different. The rules also
Okay.
different. So in this area, if you want to learn multiple, then wait till end of the class, then automatically you'll come to know.
Okay. Basically,
Any
I'm
more?
from non-IT background, so I just
Okay.
want to know which is the best combination.
No, first of all, there is no best combination.
Okay.
If the only one best combination, I would have titled like this is the good one and having more opportunities.
Okay.
And even I would have mentioned here, I kept some star marks.
Okay.
So I will elaborate it, then you will come to know. Don't worry. Please try to understand. If still you did not get clarity, after the session, we'll discuss.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj. Any more questions from anyone?
I have a similar kind of question, but I'm not sure to ask or not.
Please.
Keeping in view for the next 5 to 10 years, what kind of combination in this would be helpful for any of us who has joined, keeping in view of the AI establishing more these days?
Yeah, that's what. Even next year, what kind of combinations would be good? No one has clarity, including the top CEOs of top organizations. Even Google CEO Sundar Pichai, they were not good in AI, Google AI. But since last year only, they started highly. And Open Minds AI, they started. And they're progressing. So almost all companies, they're in dilemma. What will happen for the next? That's one more reason why IT a little downfall now. So I'm not good in concluding that. But Power BI is good. It will definitely have market. No impact with the AI, because BI is different, AI is different. BI is required, and the AI features in Power BI will help the productivity to increase 30 more %. That I can say. The AI features, but with AI you cannot replace Power BI. That I can ensure you. Okay.
Okay, because in fact, like if how much it is going to affect Power BI in
No
the
one
future?
has idea. No one has
Okay.
idea. So where do you say, Ravinder? Are you in US?
UK.
Oh, you are in UK. No problem. So recently I visited US and then I stayed for 2 months recently. 10 days ago only I came to India. I tried my level best to understand the market and tools, combinations, everything, but I was not clear. I went to LinkedIn. I met LinkedIn heads because my brother-in-law working in a senior role, and multiple organizations. Everyone in dilemma. So far, only A's and AIs available. A's and AIs. That they are not very much suitable for all types of operations. Beyond that is required in case they want to replace the market with full AI.
Okay. Thanks.
But as of now, if you want to start up something in the AI, you can start up a generative AI and partly ML, these kind of things. But I don't know how far they will give you life moving forward. That's next one. Coming to next part.
Thank you, sir.
Next 2 months, what I'm going to cover. Very quick. Guys, I'm going to cover next 2 months in Power BI, project environment, concepts, components, like environment understanding, warehousing concepts, modeling concepts, agile methodology, GitHub versioning, etc. And projects and case studies, 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Database knowledge, I will give you 3 to 4 hours, but I will recommend you to learn whole course wherever you want to learn. Even if we offer, you can start up in our institute and prioritize 9 topics. I will list out the topics and provide you priorities. And job trials, resume preparation, FAQs I will cover, and mock interviews conducted before you go for actual interviews. This is always advantage to you and this one. I request almost all my students, please show me the resume first, get it corrected and place in respective job portals, wherever you try. And this is environment and project level. And Power BI subject level, cloud components I'm covering, and on-premises components also covering, both. And Power Apps, I'm going to give you for environmental awareness, 2 hours. And Power Automate, environmental awareness, 2 hours. This is the next 2 months subject. So far I explained my personal details, what we provide, who can learn, training major objective, Power BI developer majorly. So remaining anyway suitable. Difference between various tracks, Power BI usage in multiple areas, multiple job opportunities, and difference between these three, and opportunities as a dedicated report developer and combinations, Power BI 2 months subset. Sir, I want to say very detailed one. This is a checklist I will share with you today. Guys, this checklist I will share with you today. Please use this checklist. Because in the regular class, we follow this checklist only. Once the demo is complete, I will start in the same order. So you can understand based on the content. Case study 1 on this, case study 2, case study 3, and project 1, project 2, the placement. So this is first 30 hour subject, more than enough to start your trials. Remaining in detail subject. And a particular topic you want to see. I said cloud. Cloud topics, I'm covering this. Power BI cloud topics. To bring the data, this is the content I'm covering. Power Query, there's a topic called transformation topic. Power Query, this is the content I'm covering. This is in detail course content. You please look into. So what type of SQL I'm covering in the Power BI? I clearly mentioned this is a part I'm covering. So please go through this checklist for the detailed course content. Right, sir. Anyone having any questions before I go to next important part? Kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to get demo videos and demo documents. These are very informative. At least 2 to 3 questions you can answer in interview. No doubt in that. I got very good feedback about this content. Practicals you can find in the online mini, but not good subject. So this is the part I'm going to explain next half an hour. And sharply 7:10, I'm starting the session. Sharply 7:10. Stay tuned. And what I'm going to explain next, data onwards, till Fabric I will explain. Because Power BI a part of Fabric now. How the journey started. How the Power BI journey started. And from which year onwards BI available, BI history. And what type of data IT applications use and BI applications use. This complete fundamental information I'll give you, which is very important and you'll not get in the online and many trainers. So listen to it properly. Highly useful for your career establishment, no doubt in that. And also, without knowing this, don't start up your journey also in the BA level. Stop me in case you have any questions anywhere in this. First one. Data. With respect to IT, anything you are able to store is called data. IT. There are three types of data in IT. First one, structured data. Table, Excel, these come under structured storage. Like this. Column, 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 column. ID, name, age, degree, column by column available structured data. Semi-structured, JSON, XML, these kind of applications come under semi-structured, partly structured. See, university, student ID, name, degree, etc. available. John, BSc, 31, PhD. So this is structure, this is data, semi-structured. Unstructured, social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, web, PDF, email, this kind of documents come under unstructured. No structure. Here there is a partial structure, full structure, unstructured. So in the current IT industry, these three types of data available, it's quite challenging for the old reporting tools. Old reporting tools supporting only structured data, but not this. But Power BI is supporting these two also. That's why to attract the market, they announced a feature, initial slogan of Power BI, any type of data, any format data, any storage data. This is the eye opener for many companies to use Power BI. And Power BI is the first application which is supporting all types of data and any format data. So data may be in the file, data may be in the database. Storage format. There are no other formats in IT. Companies may store in the form of files or tables only, data. And this information stored either on-premises level or cloud level within their organization servers or somebody else storage like AWS storage, Amazon storage, Azure, Microsoft storage, Salesforce storage, Workday storage, any storage. So what is on-premise? Within the organization, the data storage. What is cloud? Other organizations storage. And we will come through a URL via web. We will come through URL via web. That is cloud. So this is all about any type of data, any format data, any storage data. Simply data understanding. Three types of data, two types of format, two types of storage. In the current IT industry, there are no other available. Questions, please. Anyone need clarity? Next. IT applications. Actually, many types available, guys. I'm directly talking about IT. But you guys need to focus two types. This is the first type. This is the second type. Get some basic understanding on this, what it is, and full understanding on this. Because this is the environment you belong to. So the first kind of IT application, OLTP, online transaction processing, technically, and normal business running applications, simply transaction applications, IRCTC, book my, make my trip, ATM cash withdraw. These are all come under OLTP applications in IT or business running applications. If you go and book something, if you go and transfer something, at the end you receive a message, success or failure, transaction success or transaction failure, this message. But how general public will operate this? They use web, desktop or mobile apps, fill the forms or work on the forms. Finally, the data stored in the storage area, success or failure. And these kind of storages are called transactional storages. And these kind of applications are called transactional applications. And ultimately, we call it as OLTP applications. So general public only operate OLTP application. They fill the form in multiple platforms. Finally, the data stored under a storage area, that is success or failure only. This data management team want to analyze. Example, take IRCTC, Indian Railway Ticketing System. And here you booked a train ticket. The train ticket information available with success or failure. But management want to know, today, how many trains having highest booking? How many trains having lowest booking? Which region having highest sale? Which region having lowest sale? So from the general basic booking, they want to derive like this. This is called decision-making data or business intelligence data or analytical data. This one. Simply decision-making or business intelligence data or OLAP data. But how come we convert? Guys, to convert into OLAP data, we need a process called OLAP process or BA process. First step. It's a 4-layer step, 4-layer process, minimum 4-layer. And second step, OLAP storage, analytical storage. Finally, analytical presentation, report or dashboard. A decision-make presentation, report or dashboard. Platform same. So management team use these platforms and they analyze, report or dashboard as part of decision making like this. Platform same, but output is different. Here customers use just forms, web form, desktop form, app form to book their information, to operate their information. But management team will get report or dashboard. So this report or dashboard generation, this analytical storage, this BA process implementation is your responsibility when you work with BA tool. Any BA tool you work, no matter this process implementation, this storage, and this generation, only you do it. Got clarity? 1, 2, 3. Now, what is BA? Full abbreviation is business intelligence. Everyone aware of. Technically, you want to conclude, it is a process. Convert your normal data into decision-making data. But in the decision-making data time, visuals and insights only we show. And what is the difference between visual and insight? Visual is a component where it shows data in graphical format. Normal data or graphical, both. Insight is deep or accurate understanding of visual data. Whatever visual level you are presenting, the deep understanding of information is called insight. So BA applications generate reports and dashboards by presenting through visuals or insights. Simply any BA, I'm not talking about Power BA, any BA level input data, output report or dashboard. So this is one example of report and this is one example of dashboard. So how do you differentiate? Report is always for detailed in data, individual operation. Example, savings account, take a banking account, savings account, withdraw report. savings account, deposit report. So detailed information of withdrawal here, detailed information of deposit available here. Whereas combined you want complete savings account analysis, where deposit information, withdraw information you want to show. Simply multiple reports information you want to show in a single area, a single subject area, a technically data mart area. That is a dashboard. And only high level data presented in the dashboard, specific subject area information presented. That's the reason dashboards are always limited in the company and reports are multiple in the company. Individual operation, for every individual operation we go. So if your customer said, Razu, you need to prepare a report, you need to understand, okay, I need to show detailed data. Mahesh, we need to create a dashboard. You must understand immediately, okay, high level data regarding the subject area I need to show, or consolidated information I need to show. So either detailed or consolidated, that you present in the real time. Got clarity? Right. Then how is it possible? So little confusing area, but keep your focus. There's a beauty here. I'll explain you. So BA applications available since 90. IT applications available since 40. There's a 50 years gap altogether. In 90s also, there's a process defined, 4-layer process to create BA data. So whatever management see here, that is a BA data or decision-making data. And whatever general public operate, that is OLTP data, transactional data. They use multiple platforms and the data may be in the file or database. So this data provided in business intelligence format, a decision-making format. How? By implementing this process. It's a very standard process. If you join in any MNC, 100% you find it. Take an example, you want to construct a house. How do you construct? First, foundation, pillars, roof, side wall, like this one by one, you increment. But you never go directly for a house. And there's no component called house. Here also, the normal data converted to decision-making data with a layered process. And the first layer is ETL layer, extract, transform, load. So this data it will bring, make it a proper shape, and then load to one storage area, huge storage area. So data warehouse, data huge storage area. Because here years and years data maintained, terabytes to petabytes of data maintained, historical data maintained, everything maintained in this area. So scientists recommended bring the daily data, shape it, load to a single storage area. Anyway, it is continuously loaded, incremented, more size available. So take a bigger storage, that is a warehouse. Third one, from this, what are the data you require? You need last 3 quarters data analysis, a last month analysis, or a sales subject area analysis. Then create a cube kind of structure. And we call it as a semantic layer. Create a semantic layer with the required data, hardly GBs only, 20 GB, 30 GB, like this GB we take and create semantic layer. Get specific data available, aggregate analytical information available. This is to simplify our analytical process. Remember, simplify. Here, complete data available, more data available, here required data we take. And finally, we present to data presentation layer that is in the form of report and dashboard. Management team uses report and dashboard in multiple platforms for analysis. So these are the 4 layers suggested by the scientists in 90, and companies also given respective components. Informatica, data stage, this I've been issued these kind of components only in this area. And these databases in this storage, these tools for this operations, these tools for operations. MNCs, okay, they were able to afford this approach because needed. Small, medium people scared to use it. Even MNC is also not happy with this approach because multiple tools required, multiple people required, multiple setups required. So companies decided, why companies not decided, companies asked Microsoft, IBM, and many other organizations, why don't you people focus on an end-to-end solution which reduces our cost, burden, maintenance, everything. Yes, Microsoft took that initiative, and first product Microsoft released, that is MSBA, Microsoft BA, proudly launched. If you see this, no tool has prefix or suffix BA, prefix or suffix, but it has Microsoft BA in 2005, purely on premises, and it is a suite. And this is the first tool, tool 1, tool 2. Anyway, storage available, tool 3. 3 tools. And this tool for ETL process, and this tool for analytical process, this tool for reporting process. Sir, what is the full form of SSIS? Integration services. AS, analysis services. RS, reporting services. 3 tools in the 3 areas. And these are all under a single suite. That's why people call it as a self-service BI suite. Self-service BI suite, released in 2005, but it is market leader guys, 2008 onwards. Till this day, for the last 17 years, analytics and BI market leader is Microsoft. No competitor. Sir, how can I see? How do you prove it, sir? I'll show you in 2 minutes. Wait for it. Sir, if market leader Microsoft, then why Power BI? There is a problem. Microsoft MSBA 2005 released. So before 2005, whatever the market features available, those features only it was supporting. The engine also designed in such a way. But in 2004, Facebook released fully unstructured processing. 2006 onwards, cloud is available. 2009 onwards, in the market, mobile and tab apps popular. Mobile and tab apps, 2009 onwards. The complete market changed, drastically changed. And people also expecting low code applications. People also expecting everything in a single place, everything in a single application. So Microsoft decided, why don't we add more features to existing BI and release? That is Power BI. So this was in 2013 with power added to powering BI or power added to MSBI. And Power BI available in the cloud, Power BI available in the on-premise, both the places available. It's your interest, how do you want to use? And Power BI, a single application, that is called self-service BI application, single application. Don't need to recruit multiple people, no multiple installations, single application. This concept, Power Query is the concept which will do this process. Power Pivot is the concept which will do this process. Power View and Map is the concept which will do this process. So one single cloud and on-premises supportive application will do end-to-end process and generate a report or dashboard. Power BI generate report and dashboard only. See, process optimized. And that too less code. So whatever SSIS will do, close to that Power Query will do. But there are a couple of differences. That is the later part. Analysis services and Power Pivot. Reporting services and Power BI. These are given in conceptual way. And 2005 to till 2016, Microsoft MSBA brought the leadership and continued. But 2016 onwards, Power BI continuing the leadership. Power BI continuing the leadership. Let me show you guys practically. See, business intelligence evolution. This is very important. 3 types. Legacy BA. This is called early BA. Multiple tool setups, resources, very costly and complex. Middle age BA, MSBA 2005. These are the versions available. Every 2 to 3 years, one version. And from 2008, market leader. Modern BA level, cloud, mobile tab friendly, and any type of data. And one more thing, better embedding. Embedding means you can place the application in other areas. You can show the Power BI report or BA report in other area. Example, Facebook, Twitter, your company SharePoint server, your company blog, your company website. The placing is called embedding. And low code, people expecting low code, and that to self-service, everything they can do in a single area. These kind of features come under modern BA. So Power BA, Tableau, ClickView, these are all available in the modern BA. Please remember, these 3 are modern BA components, and Power BI is top and number 1 and the leader component in the market. You want to verify? Let me show you quickly. Gartner. So Microsoft named a leader in 2024 Gartner Magic Quadrant. Since we are thrilled to announce that for the 17th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader. Very popular organization who rate IT applications. See, Microsoft is the leader, and Tableau is the next one, another. Genuine statistics. And you can go to Forrester Wave. Microsoft leader. So we are excited to announce that Forrester has recognized Microsoft as a leader of Forrester. Okay. So you're learning a leader. Don't worry, next 10 years, it will continue as it is. Even AI features also added in Power BI, that is in the Fabric level. More AI features you've seen the Fabric. Fabric is AI solution. So I clearly explained why Power BI created when MSBA exists. Power BI is a more power added to existing MSBA, but still MSBA having its own option, own positions. My recommendation, go through this document to get more clarity. So simply Power BI adding power to existing BA, generic definition. Many as technical experts say, but Microsoft saying it's a low code application. Microsoft definition, cloud and on-premises supportive application, self-service application, which generate reports and dashboard from the data. So with low code, cloud and on-premises, self-service, dashboards and reports you can generate. And released in July 2013. And monthly update available for this. July 2013 to till this month. Now, with the given spirit of Power BI, Microsoft decided to give multiple other low-code applications. That is the result of Power Platform. This is one more important one to remember. And Power Platform having 5 components, where Power BI is the first component. So from 2019, 13 onwards, Power BI standalone. In 19, Power BI part of platform. These are 5 applications. So this is anyway report generation, dashboard generation with low code. And this is low code mobile and tab friendly apps. And this is low code application for robotic process automation, Power Automate. Power Apps for apps development for mobile and tabs with less code. Power Automate, robotic process, automated process, low code. And a virtual agent, the chatbots. When you open a website or a blog or a mobile app, you will see how may assist you agent. That is chatbot. You want to create easily this component. Website or web pages you want to create easily, then go to Power Pages. This 5. Microsoft expected a lot, the combinations. But everyone moving towards AI, so they also changed their mind and they given a wonderful AI-based solution, Fabric. 2023 zone, AI-based suit, market suitable components for data analytics, data scientists, data citizens, data engineering, and report developer. Multiple people, this suit is helpful. How come, sir? It is having these 4 components. Power BI for reports, dashboards, Data Factory for data integration, Synapse for data storage, analytics, warehouse, science operations, Data Activator for monitoring. But everywhere AI features available. AI, everywhere available, guys. Whatever the market level AI features available, in every tool you will find. If you learn these 3, you are good enough to try as an engineer, scientist, analyst, citizen, and all. If you learn Power BI, analyst, scientist, citizen, and even developer, you can try. If you learn Power BI plus Data Factory, data engineer, and data and remaining opportunities also you can try. So my recommendation, in case you want to prefer other component, prefer Power BI plus Data Factory or Synapse. For current and next, it is good. So simply go to Microsoft Fabric components. Definitely you will get good market. And it is having already market, and you can see the continuation of this market. Fabric. It's an AI-based solution with this. Now Power BI part of Fabric. And whatever the Power BI I'm going to explain starting from tomorrow, that is Fabric Power BI only. Fabric Power BI. So this is all about Microsoft Power BI demo. Data onwards till Fabric I completed. It's 9:10, 7:10. Sharply stop. So data to yes. 3 types of data, 2 types of ID formats, and 2 types of storage. Many types of IT applications, importantly OLTP, OLAP, and BI history, legacy, middle, modern. You're learning modern is BI. Power BI, definition 1, definition 2, normal definition, Microsoft definition. Power Platform, what it is, Fabric, what it is, clearly explained. So this understanding everyone should have. Kindly go through this document and ask me your questions tomorrow. Don't consider like a demo. Consider like a regular class and ask me your questions tomorrow. And tomorrow, I plan for this content. First 10 minutes recap, and then Power BI components, Power BI end-to-end practice.
Is Data Factory a low-code component?
Yes. No, Data Factory is not a low code. You need to write a little code. But nowadays, it's reduced on the Fabric level. And guys, the current batch is 6 p.m. batch, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Daily 1 hour. Sharply it starts. Plus or minus 3-4 minutes, not more than that. and sharp it closes.
So when onwards the morning
And
batch will be started?
give me a minute, sir. And daily live class videos will share, as I said, and WhatsApp communication, proper communication, effective communication, theory, practical material will provide, mock interviews conducted, SQL sessions also conducted here, and it's a Power BI very detailed course for 60 hours and daily 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours for your practice. Monday to Friday time classes, monthly 2 Saturdays you'll be having sessions. Online, offline, both available. My major intention, max subject coverage, real-time working perspective, interview suitable, and PL 300 certification in case you want to write. This is a Microsoft Power BI certification. I will help you on this. No charge. And you can generate your own reports after learning this course. So that's all, guys, from my side. Now start asking your questions.